Hey, what's up? I'm Diana. This video to show you guys my apartment tour. I'll be moving out soon, so I wanted to show y'all my apartment before I move out, and also for me so I can keep memories of my place, because I've been here for like 13 months, so my lease is now up, and I'm about to get out of here.
Welcome to my crib. You better watch my mom's video.
And then this is where the magic happens, right here in my room. Let me show you the overview of it. It's real ghetto in this room. My bedroom is really ghetto. And let me tell you why. I'll tell you why.
And look, people.
It's ghetto because I don't got no bed. I don't have a bed. My son, he's really good now. He's been like 6 months good with potty training, but I had it since he was like born, like 2 months, the bed. So he had like, you know, throw up, vomit, poop. It had like all them feces and stuff on my bed. So I, like those stains, so I said, nope, got rid of it. But I'm looking to get a new one. This is ghetto too. I put it in the washer, I got destroyed. So I gotta get another one of those. If you're interested in like this Tuffle pillows and throw, I got that from Wayfair. These two pillows right here, the velvet ones, they are from Omgoddess, and the big Euro pillows, I got those from Target. And this bed frame is pretty big, and these two lamps that I got on the side, they are from Wayfair. The dressers, side dressers, they're from Wayfair. I'm at that clock, Target. That back there is a freezer. It looked like a little moon looking thing. That's a diffuser. I love it. One of my favorite things from Amazon. Definitely recommend it for you to get it. And I got my record player here, my Bible on the side. Now I gotta get that word. These are my records, because I like when something calming, I can listen to these records from the front and the back without skipping. So I got these in vinyl, because vinyl, it just got that different sound that the digital stuff, it just don't do. So I can listen to Solange, Sit at the Table, from the front of the cover to the back of the cover. And this is Mario, Dancing Shadows. And this is Tank and the Bangas. I love them. They're real different. I can listen to these from the front cover to the back. And I'll show you what's in the drawers. Here I got like my sage, incense, crystals, spiritual stuff. And then right here I got detox stuff, the essential oils, and self-care stuff and stuff, just in case my son gets sick. I can check his temperature. Things like that. These are my plants, my babies, my money tree. It's acting a little funny. And right here is my desk. Right there, I keep like important docs there that I need to grab every day. I have books, notebooks there. And these are my Louis Vuitton. Let me see. Oh, my chair. My chair is from Wayfair. Love it. I think, or maybe it's either from Wayfair. It's from Amazon. I don't remember. I think it's from Amazon. And I just got like planners, and this right here. This is a photo album, but I use it for like a dream board. Well, a dream binder, whatever you call it. And planners, and notebooks and stuff so I can get my life together that I got from at home. This balance thing, so I just put crystals there. And in here I just basically, I'm not gonna open it, I'm using one hand, but I just use like coloring pencils and markers and tape and all that like arts and crafts stuff in there. I just made it look in a bougie way. No, it was not Louis Vuitton stuff in there. Okay, and in this drawer, this is what I keep. Budget stuff, that's accessories. And in here, I like to keep my blue light glasses. Tabs, pens. Yep, so that is my desk. And now over there, I had the lights in that closet, but I took them out so you could see what's in it. So right here is 2 paintings. I got these paintings from Burlington. I love, love, love this painting. This painting, I'm going to do something with it in the future. I'll show you. So like I said, subscribe, give this a video a like. Tell me if you're liking this video so far. And behind it is my vision board. I'll show you what's on the outside. I'll explain to you. So this right here, this is Chef Key. I love her. Like, see like the little cute stuff. Like, I think she eats stuff like this. Like, she's eat electric food, and she met Dr. Sabi, and she's been doing this before she even met Dr. Sabi. Like, just Google her. I don't even have to explain. So when you Google it, you'll understand what I mean. And this right here is my health journey. I can't stay away from the heat, so I fell into that. And this right here is to travel more. And this right here to have like better connections with people. And that's what I'm making this video right now. This right here is my pumice grass. I don't got a vase for it. It actually belongs in my living room, but I just keep it here because I have a son that do things like this. It's wild and things break. So this is a message that's so important to me. It says, count it all joy, slows and steady wins, elevate all your F's. And then it has my initial at the end. The F's mean that quote that I showed you back in my kitchen. And my dresser, I can't explain. I'm gonna tell you about this dresser. It was because of him. He knocked the knobs down. I tried to buy more knobs, but the nails in the inside, they're like so messed up. I think I need like a pliers or something to get it out. 2 drawers. There's usually more stuff in here, but I'm washing clothes. So his pajamas, drawers, socks, underwear and stuff there. And he got his clothes here. So I organize it like this. I put his tops here, and then maybe like sweatshirts and sweaters here, and then his shorts and jeans there. He grew out of his stuff a lot, and my pajamas, they're in the wash. I'm washing them.
Yep.
This shirt and the pajamas don't belong here. It is what it is here. I got those big socks. That's for the winter. I just keep all my stuff in there because I don't really got room like that. And if it works out for me. And this is gym stuff. This is my sweats and stuff. And then here is, I don't feel like opening it, but it's my swimsuits and shirts, whatever. So this is my dirty clothes bin. And again, this is the overview. And over here, in this dresser over here, I keep my undies, but I'm not going to show you that. I think that's like a little TMI. But I'm going to open this closet. Show you my closet. And I have more of my clothes here and tech stuff. So this is my tech stuff up here. And these are my shoes. Don't got many shoes, but I love my shoes. And I got boots. I got flat boots in the back and rider boots. Like, and I got like black and brown boots. They look similar to these, but they're just plain. And here tech stuff, important docs or sentimental stuff. Here I got books and more tech stuff. So yup, I believe I showed you my whole crib. So I want to thank you for watching the whole entire video. But if you didn't, I don't know what you're waiting for. So give it a like, subscribe, comment. Just say hi to me. You know, I read my comments. I want to say hi back. I'm going to comment back. So thank you. Steph, come on, let's say bye.
Bye.
Bye. See y'all
Yeah.
in my next one. Peace.
And it's a ticket talking miser for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
I am hot.
I'm not.
Woo! The video is over. Tell mom it's hot. Hot, 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 hot. Alright, now let's go. And you put on some clothes. And we gotta go where we gotta go. We got things to do.